Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to pin Braid's channel to home. So that's actually so simple to have been completed and to have been done. It's the same for the iOS users and also for the Android users and also again for the desktop and the laptops users. So for me, I will show you on the websites how you can make it. So firstly, what I want to do is to log in or to sign in to your account, and then I want to go into the Explore to find the channel that you want or that you're interested in. So for me, just to set an example, we go into this one. Let's consider that I want to pin this channel. Here, what I'm going to do is to go into this 3 points on the top, actually the top right, and I want to tap on this option. Right, so as you can see, it's had appear right here. It has appear right here, and you can also remove it. And what I want to make sure is to tap on auto update right here, so you will get the last news of this channel on your home, of course. And also you can go into this this is the second way. You can go just from here, then search, then you will look for the trades channel that you want to pin also on your home. So let's go into for example that one. You need to follow him first and then click on his page, and yeah, you will be able to get the newest things of his channel just on your home without searching for the channel of these ones. Anyways, that's the subject. It's simply as it is, as you can see, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next video.